Welcome to Boracay, the tropical paradise that has it all. In this video, we'll unveil 12 irresistible reasons why you must choose Boracay for your next adventure. So, let's dive in. Reason number 1, Boracay boasts breathtaking white sand beaches that stretch for miles, providing the perfect backdrop for soaking up the sun and indulging in some relaxation. Reason number 2, immerse yourself in the crystal-clear waters of the island, which offer incredible opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Discover vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life that will leave you in awe. Reason number 3, get the adrenaline pumping with a wide range of exciting water sports such as kiteboarding, parasailing, and jet skiing. Thrill seekers are guaranteed a memorable time. Reason number 4, experience vibrant nightlife like no other. Boracay comes alive after the sun sets, with beach parties, live music, and fire dance performances that will keep you entertained until the early hours of the morning. Reason number 5, indulge in a gastronomic adventure. Boracay is a food lover's haven, offering a wide array of local and international cuisines. From fresh seafood on the beach to street food flavors, your taste buds are in for a treat. Reason number 6, explore the island's hidden gems. Take a journey off the beaten path and discover secluded coves, hidden lagoons, and breathtaking viewpoints that will leave you speechless. Reason number 7, pamper yourself with luxurious spa treatments and wellness activities. Boracay's top-notch resorts offer world-class facilities designed to rejuvenate your senses and leave you feeling refreshed. Reason number 8, delve into the vibrant local culture. From the colorful Adi-Adihan festival to traditional dance performances, Boracay offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Reason number 9, embark on an island-hopping adventure. Hop on a boat and explore nearby islands like Crystal Cove, Puka Beach, and Ariel's Point. Each destination offers unique experiences that will create lasting memories. Reason number 10, capture picture-perfect moments. Boracay's natural beauty provides countless opportunities for stunning photographs. Remember to bring your camera and capture the breathtaking sunsets, clear blue waters, and lush landscapes. Reason number 11, shop till you drop. Boracay's many shops, boutiques, and markets offer a range of souvenirs, handcrafted items, and beachwear, ensuring you find the perfect memento of your trip. And finally, reason number 12, Boracay's warm and friendly locals. Experience the renowned Filipino hospitality as you're welcomed with open arms and a smile wherever you go. So there you have it, 12 irresistible reasons to choose Boracay for your next adventure. Pack your bags, unwind on the pristine beaches, explore the vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration.